So look, y'all, we somewhere in Hollywood. We about to try Roscoe'S chicken and waffles. I'm gonna take y'all with me. This is my first time. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let me see if it's better than Waffle House, like my boy J Walk said behind the camera. I think I already know what I'm gonna get. 2 waffles, leg and a thigh, a breast, and sweet tea. On the side, they got eggs, right? Side of scrambled eggs. We got Paramount right here. I don't know what you listen to. We got the Paramount. I'm finna go over here and try to get me a deal. I'm about to go try to get me a deal so I can be on Paramount Plus. Y'all gonna see me on the screen. She got the menu. I don't know why they got it dark in here like it's a little nightclub. But let me see. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna get the. Hold this real quick. Hold this camera. If it's on camera. So I'm gonna get the Roscoe'S #1.
Okay, I'll be right with you.
Roscoe'S #1.
Okay.
The 2 waffles. I'm gonna give me a side of eggs. And I'll figure out what I want to drink. What you doing?
I'm gonna get the country boy. Some waffles.
I'm gonna do the #1.
#1. White meat or dark meat?
White meat would be a breast and a wing. Dark meat would be a thigh and a leg.
Let me get the white meat.
White meat. Okay.
And then a side of scrambled eggs.
2 scrambled eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then y'all got sweet tea.
It's only tropical sweet tea, kind of a fruity tea.
What you get to drink?
Lemonade. Fruit punch lemonade? That's it?
I just want lemonade.
Just lemonade.
Yeah, with light ice.
Okay.
Let me have the
It's dark in here like a nightclub.
you need a number. The number.
It's like homemade lemonade. This thing. This is crack. What you? He got a whole bunch of. He got every drink mixed together.
See the Billy Kelly? See how they couldn't see me?
That's a Kelly. You got the boy in the back. On the street. That's a he on the street. I sure do.
I got on the right time. I can fuck it from 60.
He said it's a lot of streets that look like that. I said I don't care which one. I just want to see that street. I just want to see. I want to take the picture. I want to take some pictures on that street.
Yeah, like, that right there is
That's it.
But then we also got that street in Santa Monica too with the white folks. You know, that's an iconic look on a lot of streets.
Thank you.
Is that my gravy?
Yeah, that's okay.
Where the syrup at, bro? No, y'all syrup for y'all. Amazon. They deliver some to my door every goddamn. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
For them.
No, I'm definitely better. Hence why I had two events. And I'll bring the next one of those
Syrup right there. I'll taste it. Taste it.
Oh, I know what's that upside down. You need some water in it?
Diluted.
What's your drink?
Yeah. Sunrise, sunset.
So look, man, the food was good. My first time. I ate it all. I didn't get to show you all I was eating. I was too focused, but it was good. I think Waffle House would be better if they had chicken as well.
Ain't got no chicken?
They got like a baked chicken, like ain't no fried chicken though. It'd be like, they'd be way better. But overall I give this
Get Nipsey in the camera.
I did. He been on the camera the whole time. I give it an 8. I give it an 8. Now if the chicken was all the way seasoned, 10. But you know you gotta add your little syrup or hot sauce wherever you prefer. On there, maple syrup, grape jelly. Overall, man, it was good, man.
You took them plates already?
Yeah, he came and took them plates.
Trying to get rid of us.
He trying to keep it clean, man. So less work. He trying to do less work. What you think, though? Was that good today?
I was hungry.
Oh, that's true. It was good, though.
Yeah.
It was real good.
Yeah, Big Mama was that name.
I'm not edit that out. I'm not worried about that. You can say whatever you want. I'm a good editor. Let me see. You get a little taller though.
Name is Roscoe.
Huh?
You get a little taller.
I shrank.
Huh?
I shrank. I was 6'1" in high school.
You shrank or you shrunk?
Shrank. You never heard that? Shrank, man.
I ain't heard no shrink.
That's a word.
Shit, man, that food, I give it an 8. It was pretty good. Somebody ran on car accident.
Get you a job up in there.
Paramount.
Shit, it's something for y'all to do. Y'all got degrees, goddamn.
How about something?
Plus, here I come.
I'll do something up there. They can use me for something.
Go to college and get the degree. You gonna get a job. That's the shit they used to tell us.
I can do something in there. I can record, I can check people in, I can escort the famous people.
Why no? You behind the desk.
Shoot.
Oh man.
I escort. I escort them famous people. Yeah. Come on, Eddie, man.
Eddie who? Eddie Murphy not letting you drive.
Griffin. No, I'm gonna escort him.
He said Griffin.
Escort him around the building. Yeah, I can't. Eddie Murphy, he'll let me drive.
Eddie boozy, man. He needs somebody personal.
His own people.
His own people. You know, I know.
And if you ain't on day one, I'm from the block, you ain't hitting this. Off of champagne hitting licks. Tell me why you bless me.